Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you what to do if you do have your fast charging not working in your Oppo Reno15 Pro. So, the thing that you have to remember is that you need to have a cable and a charger both compatible and not damaged. If your charger power brick is damaged, you need to have it replaced by a new one. When your charger is damaged, it won't probably charge your device with full power, and it's because of protections built in your both charger and phone. Apart from that, check your cable. If your cable is somehow damaged too, it won't work. Apart from that, as I said, compatibility. Some chargers, like for example from Temu or AliExpress, don't have any certificates and they won't just charge the device at full power. So, just buy a new one, certified one, for example, from Oppo. Apart from that, check if you have any debris in your charging port. Here, as you can see, our charging port is here, and if you do see any debris over here, just clean it with a non-metallic tool. If you clean it, for example, with a metallic tool, you can damage the internals and port. So apart from that, you can try to use alcohol, but I won't use any liquid here. Apart from that, go here to the settings, and once you're in the settings, you need to now scroll down to the battery. Once you're here in the battery, you need to scroll down to the charging settings and make sure that the smart rapid charging is enabled. And apart from that, as a final resort, you can just test your phone with another fast charger or outlet. And if it didn't work, you need to go to the authorized service and have your phone fixed. Goodbye!